most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Well, we say good morning. We are seeing some clearing taking place. This is Enola as we check out some of your headlines here this morning. Cooler and breezy today, but pretty pleasant as we get the sunshine back. But a damp stretch is ahead, really starting tomorrow evening through the weekend. Doesn't mean it's going to be raining that entire time, but there will be shower opportunities, no doubt. The weekend does look wet, however. Now, it's only Tuesday, so let's see how this pans out as we get closer. Mechanicsburg, we can see the sun coming up, and it looks nice. We're seeing the blue sky here as folks wake up and start to hit the roads. Doppler radar is quiet. The rain is gone, but not before it put down a good amount, especially for Harrisburg and areas to the south and east. Northern and western spots, as we said, would miss out on this. The average across the viewing area was about a ½ inch, but when we focus in on the highest amounts here across the southeast, 1 inch of rain or a little bit over an inch for those spots. Very, very beneficial rain. And now we are seeing clearing, even with clouds to the west, downsloping flow off the mountains. When air parcels sink, then they sort of contract and, well, clear out. And that's what's happening here. Sinking air parcels means nice weather, and we're going to continue to see clearing throughout the day. It's cold, though. I mean, Johnstown is at 30 degrees. State College is at 34. Those numbers are going to be our numbers here tonight. Right now, we're in the 40s. That's not bad, but it is colder than yesterday by 10 to 20 to close to 25 degrees. A pretty significant front. That's why we saw some severe weather yesterday, and we had the rain. I mean, look at the numbers. A 25-degree drop, that's impressive. 10 to 15 mile-an-hour winds right now, adding to a bit of a chill in the air. They're going to be with us throughout the day, and winds could gust as high as 35 miles an hour later. 55 today. It's going to be cooler, but it will be sunny at least. And then tonight, chilly. I think we dip down to near freezing tonight. There goes the front of the water vapor loop. So we're pushing this thing out, the moisture going with it, but it's a pretty impressive front. We dry out the next couple of days, although by tomorrow evening, we're starting to see another front gather here across the Rockies, and that's going to head our way. But look at Chicago this morning, Memphis, chillier, this cooler air kind of settling in for the next 2 days before that warm front moves in Wednesday night, and then we warm back up here by Thursday. So highs this afternoon in the mid-50s. There will be a chill, especially with the breeze, and then tonight, as the winds back off a bit, we dip down into the low 30s. I think it's going to be a chilly day here tomorrow, and highs will be getting back into the upper 50s in the afternoon. But a breezy afternoon, too. The winds, as I mentioned, die out tonight. But I'm telling you, I think it's going to be even windier tomorrow. Southerly winds at 20 miles an hour, and Thursday could be the worst day yet. Winds here again over 20 miles an hour as some showers develop by Thursday night. So lots of sunshine today. Really a nice one and a nice evening if you have plans. Now, tomorrow evening, after most of the day will be dry and feature a mix of clouds and sunshine, that's when we expect, look at here, some showers, and some of them could be heavy Wednesday evening. So if you have outdoor plans Wednesday night, just be prepared. Could get a little wet. And then as we look ahead here into the day on Thursday, most of the day will be dry, but it's Thursday evening again where we see a couple of showers and maybe a rumble of thunder heading our way. So between tomorrow evening and Thursday, maybe about a quarter to a ½ inch of rain. Thursday, there's the severe weather threat. It stays to our south and west, so we don't expect any nasty weather. It should just be beneficial rain. The extended outlook shows more coming for the weekend. So on Friday morning, we get some showers. The front sinks southward, but then it returns north over the weekend with a good amount of rain Saturday and Sunday. And in fact, if it all plays out like we think it might, well, the European says, hey, how about between 1 and 2 inches of rain? That would be exactly what the doctor ordered, spread out over a couple of days. Unfortunately, the only downside is it happens to be the weekend. So increasing clouds tomorrow with evening showers, mostly cloudy on Thursday with more evening showers into Friday morning, and then the damp stretch here through the weekend. I think the second half of Friday will be dry, and then it's timing out the rain for the weekend. But I'd start to think maybe more indoor plans here Saturday and Sunday because it does look wet. And April delivering on its promise early with April showers.
Yeah.
Yes.
But the time, yeah, I don't know. The weekend, though, wish we could save it, but like as you keep saying, we need the rain.
We need the rain, and I'm okay with an indoor weekend. You know, there are things to be done inside, too.
Spring cleaning.
Exactly. Yep.
I'm going to get to that in just a moment.
Yes.
But first,